Hello YouTube viewers, and welcome to my little channel here on YouTube. And today is a special day, because today is National Fire Alarm Day. So, I thought I would showcase a collection of all the alarms that I have. This excludes the alarms that aren't mine, so that master box, that bell, which are not actually mine. These are the alarms that I have. So starting out with the very first alarm that I ever got. I got this in 2019. The Spectral Alert ceiling mount, Special Advanced ceiling mount. Next to it we have the Simplex Intruder Alert. A friend gave me this. And I got a pair of Wheelock MIZs. This one was made in 2010, and this one was made in 2018. They're not different whatsoever, other than the color. And I got a pair of first gen Wheelock AS's. These came out of an old building. I got more than these originally, but I gave some away. And then here we have the Gentex Commander 2. Now the only reason why I got this one was because all the buildings in Michigan have these, because they have the ones made by National Time. And my school has my city hall has these. Literally, a lot of places have these, except they're the Commander 3s, but this is the closest thing I was able to find. And over here is the Wheelock RS, which came out of the same building as these AS's. As you can see, it's in rather rough condition. I accidentally kind of broke it trying to get it down, and I think it's going bad because it doesn't sound like it wants to work very much longer. Moving on here, I have this bell. It's actually a 12-volt bell. It is a AMSCO security alarm bell. This would go in a little bell box. This would be the outside of it. And okay. That there, some weird company, Dictograph Products. This doesn't work, but I guess it's cool nevertheless. I had this Faraday single stroke bell. It's actually apparently AC powered. But yeah. I have another bell here. This one's I don't know who makes it actually. Forgot the company that made this, but I want to say it's maybe AMSCO, maybe, but I don't know who made them. Here's a Wheelock. It's a motor bell. Actually, forgot to mention that's a motor bell too. This came with this. This is the Wheelock RSSP, I believe it's called. Yeah, RSSP. That was originally paired with that when I got it. And I don't even know why I have this weird speaker alarm. I don't even know what the brand on it is. Move on to horns. Here's my Edwards Adaptahorn. See the tag? Yep, it's 120 volt. I have this plug on it. Apparently, the backstory behind this is apparently it came out of a freighter ship. So, as you can see, it's a general signal alarm since there's no fire alarm tag on it. Here's my Wheelock 7002 ET that's been rebranded by Pyrotronics. Go look at it here. This was the last one from eBay listing, and I got it at 3 a.m. when I was literally about to go to bed, and it was the last one, so if I didn't get this, who knows who would have gotten this. Next to it is my Wheelock 3424. This was paired in that AV32. So closely you can see it's kind of got UV faded right there. But yeah, pretty cool. Crap. That scared me. Right here is a 9806, but it's the Federal Signal one. This was my very first mechanical horn. I bought it off of Marketplace on Instabookface. But yeah, I own a Federal product. Isn't that cool? This is oh, I forgot what the simplex name for this. I want to say, what's it says on here? I don't know. I think it's called the 9216, I think. I don't know, it says 4903 horn, but it's rebranded by Cerberus. But it's pretty cool, I guess. Moving on to the plates. Here's my AV32, one with no fire lettering. It's non-polarized, so I had to put a diode on it. Yeah, this, when I first got it, was paired with that 3424. And, yeah. Here is my 490320, what's this called? 4903 9101, I think. Yeah. It's got abnormally short wires on it for whatever reason. But it's cool, it works. Why wouldn't it? And this was my very first pull station. I got this in 2021. Service Paratronics. I believe these are called the MS51, I believe. They might be called something else if they're a local arm one, I think, but yeah. Pull here. Yep. City's Library has these. Well, they're the regular Mrs. Fire alarm, but yeah. BG10, ADT BG10 LX. I took the button out. It's actually in that pull station right there. But yeah, this came out of the building where that AS and that remote strobe came out of. Regular BG10, which has no button. Didn't even have a button on it to begin with, but BG10 LX, I believe. These were addressable, but I converted them. This also came with the building where that came from. Edwards 270 SPO, the newer one. My middle school had these, so these are, well, they had different evlos will go on it, and they were older, but middle school had them, so I kind of like them. Weird Mertone Canadian style pull station. God. Makes a weird sound, but yeah. National Time rebranded Safety Com pull station. I don't know what the actual name of these are, but and I really like these ones because with the Commander 3s and all the buildings around me, they're paired with these, even though they're recalled. Well, I think the new ones are not recalled anymore, but the older ones, which I believe this one is too, is a recalled one because the handle apparently was able to break off, apparently, or something like that. But yeah. Simplex 2099. Oh gosh, 2099 dash. I forgot what the name of these was, but this was made in 1996, and friend gave it to me, and I guess I can show you inside. Oh, 9103. But yeah. And I have broken some glass in this before. Because I actually bought a few of these pieces. You can get them real cheap off Amazon. But yeah, I've yet to upload the video for that. ADT. I forgot what these are even called. But the button from this came from that BG10, because this didn't have a button to begin with. Yeah. This, I don't know what it was called, the Pertronics. That was called the MS3. This one was called something else, but I got this one off of Marketplace on Instabookface, and it even came with the brake rod, which is like a little cardboard thing. I have it. It came with a nice back box too. I didn't screw it in though, but I'm gonna try to pull it here. Yep. Honeywell S46 these are kind of cool to me because the local, I know it's some of the popular store here in Michigan. It's called Bush's. It's like a small chain grocery shop, and the one near me was paired with these, although it was the one that had the weird font where it was like smaller and towards the middle. And they were also paired with those Gentex GX90s. I guess I'm gonna pull. Yep. Elenco 5D. This is the non-EO listed one, and it's a metal one. Because they did make them in plastic, I'm pretty sure. The brighter ones. To pull here. Yeah, it's already pulled. Like, that's as far as it goes down. And got a lot of chevrons here. These are the new ones that have the electric button. These came out of an old school, I believe somewhere in Wisconsin, I believe the listing said. And they had brake rods in them. I kept them. Yeah, pretty cool. Standard electric pull station. I don't know what these are actually called, other than the fact that they're made by Standard Electric. Yep. Pair of Faraday 1123-1s, which came from the same building that bell came from. This one's original. Sells original paint. This one was restored by a friend of mine. So he's the General Signal one. He's a pull. Up. And this isn't even really a fire alarm device, but it's like a weird, interesting pull station. Basically, this would activate an overhead fire extinguishing system. These would be in restaurant kitchens, and you can see they're mechanical. This would pull a chain, which in return would pull a valve on an extinguishing tank, and that would go through the suppression release system. Guess I can give this a pull. But yeah. If this were installed, this would be attached to the cable, and it would just kind of hang there. And these also do come with brake rods, which I do have one for these. For this. Gosh, I can't talk today. But yeah, I also have another item coming in that isn't in this display. It's a dual projector for a horn, which should be coming in soon. But, yeah. So, as of now, I have, I think, 40 alarms, I believe, if you include the panel and the horn projector, which is technically mine because I bought it. So yeah, that's all of my alarms here. See? A cinematic view of it here. But yeah. Thanks for watching, and happy National Fire Alarm Day.